of God, hand of God, I'm with you, I'm with you, Anum Kubula, Anum Kubula, Antu, Anum Tutun, Anubal, Anum Zam, Azinzis, Avusamazu, Aimotep, Hey. Wasa usenza ihydrogen. Thokozani. Hayi Thokozani Makhendla, namhlanje sikhuluma ngesihloko esemqoka kakhulu. Sikhuluma about uAsa being the perfect black. Ukuthi what do we understand? Mesithi uAsa is the perfect black and unity. Chaza ukuthini? Sichaze ke isimo ukuthi uAsa is known manifest. Ngakhumbula sikhulume ngokuthi uNuthi ubuso bukakhulukhulwana. So manje ke uAsa uyinzalo leyo yokuqala kakhulukhulwana. And uAsa represents what? Unity. uAsa is the good shepherd. Umlusi. Shokuthi ulusa la manye amadlozi. Yingakho mawubona isithombe sakhe njengalesi. Uphethe what is called ngabelungu is the crook and the flame. Iheka nenekatu. Heka nenekatu. Iheka iyo leyo yokuhola. Ukuhola la manye amadlozi. Inekatu yileyo yokuhlukanisa. Umquba nembewu. The seed from chaff. Yahlukanisa ke le. Shokuthi inkosi yamakhosi. Ngoba uAsa uye oyile le blanket lengubo yomoya. Yakhumbula last week sikhulume ngokuthi whether uyaphila noma ushonile, you are Asa. Whether you are alive, whether you are dead, you are Asa, because that electric body, it never dies. It's there forever. It will always continue to renew itself. Manje mesikhuluma ngoAsa, sikhuluma ngoAsa in the form of the original substance, which is carbon. Yiko City, the perfect black. And out of that carbon, the universe may decide that udala umuntu, yadala umuntu njani. Or reflector, the original color of the original substance. So it's not by mistake or by default or which is a defect. We have so much of this, carbon. And yet it is divineness. So manje namhlanje sizokhuluma ngoAsa ukuthi uAsa the perfect black uyinkosi that is supposed to unite la manye amadlozi. How do we unite Getina la emhlabeni? Following the idiom that says as above so is below. So it means ukuthi we need to set up the divine kingdom on earth. What is that kingdom on earth? It is based on the 12 houses of the calendar. So these are the tribes. Amajudas I call something in natural, but it's the tribes of Israel. Amafonko. Bakopa, the original Baksusa from nature. Bakulashela enyame. That is what they did. Meaning ukuthi ukuhlukana kwethu sonke la emhlabeni is based on the 12 houses. There's no other differentiation engaba khona besides the 12 houses. Ngoba ibutho lika Asa nebutho lika Hetheru zihlukene. Zihlukene in terms of character and behavior of these two houses. Bonke oHetheru mvundisikazi ubabona ngezenzo zabo. Yonke into abayibambayo. Shokuthi they nurture it. Yabona? So it means ukuthi in the development of anything kumele sibeke omvundisikazi lapho. When it comes to something else, meaning ukuthi iZulu the way lingakhona la emhlabeni we are not structured like that. It means ukuthi all forms of governing system in the world are actually misdirecting us. Why? Because basenza siphile not according to imimoya yethu. It means ukuthi lento esiyenza it has no resonance. Because yonke into has got to have a resonance between, it created that resonance between iZulu nomhlaba. Manje mebebuka okhokho babona isizwe saka Asa senza izinto zika Oseth. Why? Because of leso structure asikho. It means ukuthi yonke into okhokho bethu, even the government itself, makuthiwa kune Department of Agriculture, they have to look kulendlu ka Asa. They are responsible for agriculture because Asa says, faka imbewu, ngikhona mina moya, ngizoyinatshara leyo mbewu ukuthi iqhume ngesikhathi sika Hetheru. Meaning ukuthi abantu who are supposed to handle the agriculture in our system, governing system, abantu who are born under this house. So his structure sethu is completely messed up. Umhlaba wonke, because senza izinto ezinga create the necessary resonance between iZulu nomhlaba. So ilesson yethu ke namhlanje, especially thina bantu bakwantu, those that are born of the perfect black. So yini who have the responsibility kakhulu. Ngiyazibona lezi ezinye izizwe. Lezi ezinye izizwe ngapanulula, kepha not us black people, because we are the firstborns. Ye two are supposed to align and create this divine kingdom on earth as it was before. So shall it be in the end. Washo ubani Bob man? Washo njalo vele. As it was before, so shall it be in the end. Hey, besazi vele ukuthi ekugcineni kuyomele irresponsibility yomuntu omnyama. There is nobody else who can actually handle that duty. Because akekho omunye umuntu onesabelo sokuhlanganisa this divine kingdom on earth besides umuntu omnyama. Ulizibulu wena, uyinzala abantu. So it is your responsibility ukuthi ulwazi lolwazi. EGEK, we are talking about a future governing system which is going to be completely different from what is happening currently. EGEK governing system izokhulula abantu. We are here to assist people to reach that point of total liberation and spiritual liberation. Ukuthi mawuphila la emhlabeni kumele uphile according to iline yakho. Stay in your lane. Ungenzi izinto. Why? Because u desperate. Yes, desperation isifikisa lapho. But you then need to understand ukuthi once you are compromising that, you are killing yourself. Ufana nomuntu ofile kepha who's walking, you are dead. Hey, dead man walking.
Zombie.
So manje we are here to actually explain ukuthi abantu bagwa Asa, the house of Asa, naba abantu kumele bathintane nomhlaba. Abantu bakaHetheru yibo ke abantu abavundisayo. Yazi lento mase ilentuziwe lapha bayaqonda lebhodo. Bayalibonda lebhodo. Then uJehuthi bese ke uza ne-intelligence ukuthi how then do we move it forward. The communicators. Ungazalwa anda uJehuthi wena bese kufuna ukwenza izinto zikaSahmed. Hey. Shokuthi udala wrong number. So bona ngezenzo zakho yonke into oyenzayo ngakilunge. Because you are not creating a resonance between Izulu nomhlaba. Meluzazi, this is the self-knowledge. And it's all contained there. Calendar. You read the calendar, you are understanding yourself. That is what Okoko said. Kuma lenduza, mystery schools, Ekemi. It was written in bold letters. Know thyself. Hey. Isikalo leso sobuhlakani. If you are ignorant of that, usehlathini elimnyama. Usehlathini elimnyama ngoba impilo isazoba nzima. Isazoba nzima kuwe. Then you hear people bazositshela about all sorts of governing structures, the politics. Lezo structures, the politics, are here to actually destroy what is natural within us. Because they are not connecting us back to nature so that we better know and understand ourselves. Instead, they are creating robots out of us. In the program, ukuthi vele wena original uyirobot. Uyirobot vele ngoba kuthiwa i-life yakho is predestined, determined. It means uzalwa nje sokuyaziwa wena ukuthi kumele ube lapha. Inkinga ukuthi how then do you find that usazalwa? So that ukhula nje ulandela leso step until the end. That makes your heart lighter than the feather. Yes, it makes your life, lighter than the feather. Ngoba yonke into oyenzayo every day is like umthandazo kuqamata. When we are creating a resonance in your life on a daily basis, umthandazo lo awukho dlula lo. And the most violation is sono. It's when you are not aligned with your natural self. Uyilento wena ujakhela ukwenza lokho. There's no alignment there. So manje ke masikhuluma ke ngefuture. Remember ukuthi GK, we are already living the parallel system. Because we are independent of this system that is enslaving us and perpetuating colonization of our minds. So you can't stay in that system and be sane and know yourself. You need to move out of the system so that you are able to reflect, understand ukuthi mina kahle kahle ngubani. So isemqoka kakhulu ke leyo. Isemqoka kakhulu leyo nto ukuthi lento esiyenzayo la. We are preparing for a future governing system of not only South Africa, the continent. Because Umvelingangi shines on everybody on the continent. Angisho ukuthi Umvelingangi doesn't shine on ingane zethu abelungu and everybody else. It does. But yitha mazibulu. Yitha kumele siyilungise lento. See, structure the way it's supposed to be structured. Not the confusion ekhona man. Remember ukuthi uset umbhidlizi natural. So manje when you understand uasa rebuilds. Uasa rebuilds. It means ukuthi mesilandela uasa no Heru. Thina singabantu abakhayo. Yazi abantu abadala, people who are mature. Dissect izinto. It's only children who are curious of knowing. Bayihlephula into. Thina no sesidlulile kulelo zinga. Singabantu abamnyama, singabakwantu. We are parents. So we need to stop behaving like children. Sloko si divider. The more articulate we are, we want to form political parties. Okay. Political parties and party asisa kupi kuyingcindezelo. That's the only thing we are doing. When we are pursuing this political system, usifaka more kuyingcindezelo, enslaving us even more. Umlungu uhlalile uQueen. Remember ukuthi South Africa even today legally it belongs to the Queen. The SAE is owned by the Queen of England. Why Sitina Silla? It means everybody else who rules over the structure side is subjugated to the Queen. And this is what they don't tell us. Ukuthi kwabona baguqa kule fake queen because she's fake, man. Ilapho makhetha. So I see again we are here to reassume the position of being a parent. Hey, it's only a mature mind ezoyizwa lento esikhuluma. Enganeni ingena la iphuma ngapha. You never hear us. Why? Because when usasenyameni, you are still being enticed by izinto zenyama. Thina kade sadlula lapho. Now sesibheke ikusasa of the generation that is to come. Lengane lezi must live a better life than us. And manje all this generational trauma esizalwe nayo, it must come to an end. Ingadluleli kule ngane. Uma idlulela kule ngane shokuthi perpetually umuntu omnyama will always be a slave in their own countries. Umlungu the way adelela ngakhona akanandaba ukuthi indawo yakho uzokunikeza imithetho endaweni yakho. Now because you are a boy uyingane uyamukela leyo mthetho without even a slight resistance. Tshela ukuthi sinamakhosi sinama-leader siqhashazwa abelungu ngalendlela. Baphike labantu are supposed to represent us. Because mawukhona uphila uclaima ukuthi wena we are smarter than anybody, wena we are much more superior spiritually. That should reflect empilweni zethu. Don't come and make false claims ukuthi siyemgodini even more. when you come and make all those, false claims. Oh no, mina mkhulu kakhulu. Oh no, mina I'm the most intelligent president. Foolishness. Yini ukuba president? Ukuba president ukuthi wena you've agreed to replace induna or inkosi. You've agreed. Yes. Awusa. So namahloni ukuthi wena ureplace inkosi. Usawusaba ukuthi uyinkosi yesizwe. Njalo ubalekela kule gama labo I'm the president. Yini? What is that? Spazi thina la eAfrika. Yini president? Angithi sawushaywa ilovalo ukuthi you've sold us. You can't stand up in front of us and say, I am your king. So kubuza ukuthi uzalwaphi. Yipi lento buya kuyo yokhosi. Siyayazi na. Uzoqasha ngala magama president. I'm the president, I'm the premier. And we are proud to replace Induna being a premier. We are proud of that. I'm a loyal servant of the Queen. That's what you are telling us. Foolishness. Hey, come brag with all these fancy colonized titles. Esingazazi that have no roots on the continent. Yiyo-ke into eletha division kithi. Ngoba sibuswa abantu ongamelanga basibuse. Abantu are supposed ukuthi basilide njengo-Asa. Abekho kulawo ma-position. They won't be in those positions because abanaso isabelo salomphetho wakho. Uzobabona ngokuhlupheka futhi. Hey, bonke bahlupheka. Abanikazi bento. Kudla bani abadayisi. All of them are billionaires. Why? Because they've agreed to serve the Queen. What a shame, Africa. Yonke Africa, akekho ngcono. They are all serving the Queen, while telling us a different story. After the election, they all ran to the Queen. I'm here, my Queen, to make sure your subjects never rise against you. That's all they are. And abafowethu laba. Abafowethu, we love them. Into siyiphahlelayo ukuthi babuye emqondweni. Kuhlwe la emakhanda abo. Ngoba basehlathini la. Imiqondo yabo it's not even divine darkness. It's not even divine darkness. It is the worst form of darkness, Lababush. When you understand the divineness of Ubumnyama, you then understand ukuthi yonke into comes from darkness. So bona badlulele ngale le darkness esingayazi enekhubalo elinzima kabi.
Thokoza mkhulu.
Bayashaywa ngelinye ukhubalo labantu laba. Hey, into esingayi-understand leyo ukuthi manje-ke mawuclaima ukuthi wena uzosikhulula. Usikhulula kanjani if sisabophekile spiritually? You are even afraid to challenge ama-Arab. Ngemekha yethu le-Egypt. Uyabayeka basiqhaphaze. Bathi umuntu omnyama akanamekha. And they've occupied our Mecca. Our cowards, we call our leaders, are afraid to confront that issue. When you kill a person spiritually, you've committed the worst crime. When you deprive umuntu his spiritual connection yake, that's the worst crime. Manje baphike labantu yinde le court yase iheyikiphi iheyikiphi Ngoba bayazi le ndaba. They know it very well. Ukuthi ikhaya lomuntu omnyama spiritually came it. We are all supposed to assemble there. But we can't. It's under occupation. Kepha umoya had a plan. Hey. Umoya wathi kumele nibe la izinto zaqala khona, which is the south.
Oh,
So ingakho lento ivuka la in the south. It's not by mistake. Umoya foresaw yonke lento le. Ukuthi izukulwane zezizukulwane ezizayo zizobe zibuswa amavaka. Hey, awuthi sisave le ndawo le, not to be occupied by evilness. Abantu who would want to commercialize a spiritual place here too, where we connect with the universe. And the Bagwens, local with arrogance. Not only they want to commercialize, they want to privatize it. Kube yabo. Meaning ukuthi thina abantu abamnyama mele siyocela from these evil people. Here's Qelungena la. Sifuna ukuzophahla. Hey. How do you build a nation like that? How do you build a nation? Into nibuza yona ukuthi hey lekhuba lo labelungu leli linjani? Ukuthi from la kukhaya eGhana kuNkwame Nkrumah. It's been the same situation. How do you build a nation without your own calendar? How do you build a nation without your own spiritual center? We are kanjani lo nation. Ngoba that nation iyantenga fana nomhlanga. Hey, manje market. It's not a question of arrogance. Bonke labantu ingakho thina mele sifunde because sinomsebenzi omkhulu kabi. Angaka ama politicians okumele niwagabulisa. Bangakanani? Amakhosi okumele niwathwasise nina. Bangakanani? Baneleni. So nina ke eninesabelo. You must consider yourself lucky and very fortunate. Because you are the light of the future. If future, your continent, isezandleni zenu. Isezandleni zenu because uma kuyeka nina, it means Africa yonke ifile. Remember ukuthi there's no other liberation yomuntu omnyama edlula le. Bazame yonke into. The best brains that we thought, they were best brains on the continent. Kanti miswahla nje yabantu. Even more. Hey, manje masosi hlaziya usithi, hey, lo muntu lo, history yakhe. Ubenzani lo muntu lo? This is what they are telling us, about you. Hey, so hambile emhlabeni. Sesiqala manje sifunda incwadi yakho. Lo shiyele yona. Mesifunda le ncwadi sithola ukuthi hayi man. You were not what you were telling us you are. Yikho ngithi angazi siqale ubani wasiqalekisa vele. Ngoba ukhona lo wasiqalekisa. It can never happen. Ukuthi indlu yonke behave the same. Kungabi no-one nje who emerges and says no. Lento mele yene. Wonke umuntu nje because umlungu uthe. Ziyale. Hey. And umlungu oyedwa queen. One woman. one woman who's the most evil person emhlabeni. How do you let umhlaba wonke to be in this misery? And you are sitting on their gold, man. Huh? Uloko complain about these Africans are like this and this and this and this. In your vault, ukweli gold yabo. Uloko babiza ngamakama. Lazy people, this and that. Ubachonche. Second thing, ubachonche just physically, but spiritually as well. We have a tumba. They should never wake up. We have a sonta. Hey, batumela missionaries. Hey, guti bati bazo civilize. Talk about civilization. In the civilization. Huh? This is not civilization development here, iPhone. That is not civilization. Lento basitshela ngayo ye artificial intelligence is because bangama fake. Tina, we want natural intelligence. We need to develop that capacity within us. Na somebody. I don't need a communication device because mina na yesikhumene already. I need to send messages telepathically. Umizwe man. Development ya my cell phone with the civilization. I'm not civilization na man. Huh? Hey, bakutshela nge-artificial intelligence. Huh? Buga, okhokho bethu were able to travel spiritually to Mars. Babuye and come and record to us ukuthi kunje. Okhokho bethu understood the frequencies. About 5G, about Wi-Fi, yonke lento. These are the very same principles esikhuluma ngazo. So why may you create a device to connect to those, frequencies? When you are a frequency yourself, uhlangane nalama frequency already. All you have to do is to develop your innate ability to be able to do these things naturally. Maybe funko, artificial intelligence. Hey, iwula zonke yonke umhlaba nezase-Afrika zithathekile ile artificial intelligence as if baza na something new. Huh? Kanti basimukise emgodini even more. Umsebenzi bowenza abantu abayi-100 sozoyenziwa ile tututu le iphi balance lapho ayikho balance. Hey, wena sowufuna manje ukwenza izinto kanti thina ama-Afrika makhehla yabona once sasolve le question yomhlaba sa-unite, now we start developing our innate abilities. Ukuthi mengikhuluma nge-frequency ye-5G, what do I mean? Iyini la kimi, how do I activate it? So that silevitate basibone silevitate lo kube into ya everyday leyo. Kuthi kahle kahle you don't need a car. Ulokhu pollute la izwe lambe lincane wena. Pollute ngale gas oyibhenayo. Thina besindiza ngemshayelo thokoza. Bagcina bathi that intelligence and sophistication bathi ubuthakathi ba Memfunge Pitora nide kare yako petrol tatu mshana lapha hey angithi manje when they then demonize such stories, they are killing your belief system yakho. Ukuthi you must never believe in that natural technology. Uitate as something that is bad, that is
Evil.
no, it's not evil.
Yeah.
Because black is nature. Black is nyombo wa yonke. It's white. Hey. Ngoba into white ileka. Ubumnyama, which is the source of light. You can't have light without blackness. It all starts there. From blackness. From the perfect black wasa. That's where it starts. So, behavior enjalo. Yingakho uzothola ukuthi people who lack the melanin, banenhliziyo embi, most of them. They are evil by nature. Because of the lack of this divineness. That divineness that they took advantage of when they came here. Basithola ukuthi singabantu sinobuntu. They took advantage of that evilness. Bakufice la unenkomo unomuzi wakho bakhombe ngesibhamu. Bagcine bathi wena lusa le nkomo zakho for bona. What evilness is that? Usuka wena all the way from Europe. You come and put people in that condition. Sithi uyini man. Uyini. You don't deserve to call yourself Ubuntu. Awuyena umuntu wena. Uyilesilwane esifana nalesilwane sikaSeth. That image kaSeth. Esingadescribeki siyo yonke lento. Half Jacob, half this, half that, half that. Uyileyo nto wena. Because umuntu will never sleep well at night. Azi kahle ukuthi ufake abantu in that condition that they don't deserve. And on top of that, they perpetuate the evilness. Now namhlanje they are still resisting to give us our land. Mele senze njani man?
Bring our brooms back.
No, very. Hey. Yikho mina nga-announce ngathi please. Mawumthakathi. And wangempela ayifeki. Uyisa la. Sifuna le technology yakho. Uyisebenzisa ngendlela right. Because that is natural science. Hey, I didn't burn any cardboard. Ukuthi ngiyofika lapha at the Orion star. Orion star formation. I didn't burn. Ubakhulelo uthe inzalo yela igate between the Orion nomhlaba. It means ukuthi le technology sisazoyithola natural. Ukuthi mawuya nje lapha, drink. Into engikhuluma ngayo. Hey. Boat. Hey, chokuthi gate, it's an opening. Basho njalo vele. It's a portal kehla between earth nasengulubeni lapha. Manje yipi ni technology uyifunayo? Naturally wena. It means ukuthi wena you are uyile bathini storage, hard drive yomhlaba. Why? Because you are connected to Umvelinqangi directly. Umvelinqangi expressed him or herself through you. Hey, Umvelinqangi, when Umvelinqangi wanted to created you first. So you possess everything than Umvelinqangi. It means when you are the storage of universal knowledge ila kuwe. Hey, umuntu omnyama asikhulumi ngoba siyaposta. Cha. We're talking about scientific facts that nobody angawaphikisa. Because anjalo yile qiniso bebengafuni silazi. Sazi le science. That is so simple. Yes. Once you understand the concept kaMvelencane, you understand uNomkhubulwane, that's the beginning of science. Ayikho edlula leyo. Because that is the duality of life. Bese ke understand ke bureaucracy ukuthi mezehla zehla kanjani. To form the 12 houses. And the 12 houses that are supposed to unite us and complement. Complement, not compete. Ngekubona ilanga likhompitha nenyanga man. Manje wena la emhlabeni mawuzoba nalomqondo we-competition all the time. Udonsa kuphi? Ngoba ilanga nenyanga zimela zisicreateile lezi. Zika zini chance kanje. Makwehla le makunyuka le kwehla le. That is how life should be. Singacompete. We should complement each other. Yinto lesikhulumayo ukuthi phakamisa isandla mawunetalent ethize. Ngoba lo mbutho esikuwo ufuna zonke izandla. Ayikho nje indlu that is more important than the other. And singalinge singene kuleyo. Hayi mina ngimuset ngizalwe ngenyanga eRoma. Ungangithinti nje. Ayisebenzi leyo nto le. Kumele sazi ukuthi uset, how do we enhance? Masikhuluma ngokuthi uset uyistebhisi. Yini ke le? That we are supposed to actually benefit from each tribe kaset. Masikhuluma ngoJehudi, the intelligence of the universe, our communicators. Yini leyo kumele bayicommunicate. They're not supposed to be communicating izinto that are perpetuating colonization yethu. Remember ukuthi uMa'at sets the law and the tone. uJehudi communicates what has been decided by uMvelencane through uMa'at. Ukuthi uMa'at says uMvelencane uthi this is how creation should be. uJehudi ke through those vibrations he then communicates that. Uzongiphikisa mengithi see vibration. The body that you are seeing is just an illusion. Uzongiphikisa because it's your consciousness yakho ese ijwayele and being trained ukuthi ibone lento eyibonayo. Kanti kahle kahle thina njengoba thina kunamabhodi nje omo. Amabhodi omo. Mina ukuthi njengoba sihleli kanje amaphinda ethu emoya omoya ahleli kanje nawo lephezulu. Enza exactly the same thing esiyenzayo la. Mawuguqa nawo kahle kahle qala wona umoya. Uguqe wena ulandele. It's not the other way around. Remember we are controlled le esiveni lika asa umvuseleli. So manje every action starts there. Yingakho even our future governing system has got to be structured like that. If we have a governing system, we will be divided by 12. Wonke umuntu angene endlini yakhe. Masithi uyiminister yalokho. Asifeki. And now ngeke uthathe iMinistry of Arts and Culture. ukuthi wena kumele uhlale lapha angizokwazi sokubuza uzalwe nini ndoda manje why waplaya lo msebenzi we are not going to give us the best mawulapha iposition yakho wena na indlu yakho it's better for you to understand and know indlu yakho ukuthi indlu kababa sibiza ama-kingdoms masikhuluma about the great empire of Kemet sikhuluma ngalama-kingdoms awu-12 and lawo ma-kingdoms asama-kingdoms kuphela akukhalenda even in your nervous system la phezulu there are 12 points as a generator melanin which are linked to the 12 houses of the calendar manje usafuna ngoba iphelele lento le once you know understand the calendar finish hey remember ukuthi sathi thina calendar si ornament that you just hang on the wall calendar iyaphila ngoba now uyaphila when we are talking about these 12 centers in your nervous system on the stem there are 12 they produce melanin for you imelanin le ebusa la ku-pineal gland yakho iscience yokho akusho thina and nawe hamba uyicheka leyo nto injalo so manje ke ukuthi masithi le calendar iyaphila is because every season one of those centers 12 centers in your nervous system gets stimulated yingakho sithi you then need to understand the prevalence of the energy ethize ngesikhathi esiso so that you are able to align naleyo nto leyo so when we talk about the perfect black sikhuluma ngo-asa and unity that is the unity esikhuluma ngayo i-unity that is based on the 12 houses not the 12 tribes of Israel that they claim uzo umuntu omnyama has got a negative attitude towards Kemet because watshelwa ukuthi nina nagqilaza abantwana bakaNkulunkulu nonsense thina sibona abantwana bakaNkulunkulu how can ingane iclaim iposition kababa nomama umjuda ingane le wakhethwa wena thina who've been there for centuries uzosikhohlisa uzositshela amanga and enye into that is the foundation of the Christian doctrine bathi indlu kaJakobe indlu kaLevi indlu kaSibanibani fake mele sikhothamele bona labantu nawe mawubheka umjuda ubheka umlungu ufila guilty ukuthi wagqilaza lo muntu eKemet wena kanti is a false story ayikho yonke leyo nto leyo hey so yingakho ke ngithi in future umuntu njengami nje ngizama ukuthi ngithole umuntu ozonginikeza ama design that reflect my principle on a daily basis so that kube ne resonance even noma ningibona nithi uSibanibani sikaSibanibani my earthly name no longer matters because igama lami lomoya yilo that matters I'm and other people who are born under that season we are one thing yingakho there's got to be commonality so la mesi sebenza ngeKemet Church that is when we are going to descend zonke lezi zinto lezi ukuthi okay fine mawungena kuKemet Church you need to choose a house ukuthi uzalwe nini wena ungene lapho so that labo bantu baleyo ndlu ba discuss amongst themselves ukuthi what is common amongst us and yini lento yethu that comes natural that we supposed to contribute towards rebuilding the empire again hey kula ikhona mkhe kula ikhona. So I hope ke siyasayixaxisa ke lento ukuthi siya demystify zonke lezi zinto lezi that we thought are unreachable ngoba bazibeka ngesilungu esingaka wena ke xakeke ukuthi manje lento abakhuluma ngayo yini fana ne-mathematics. I-mathematics iyi-life. Akekho umuntu omnyama who's supposed to fail that subject because naturally sinalo lolo lwazi, but how you impart that knowledge to us today is completely different from what Okoko used to do. Now vuke saying you are confronted by mathematics. Yonke into i-mathematics. But manje basinikeze ngenye indlela ngoba manje bakunikeza theory without practicality. Mawubona amanamba nje ubathisi. Bagcine bathi we are fools. Siyilima thina abantu abamnyama. How arrogant. Uyifundisa ingane. Seyibona wena ukuthi uyisiduphu. Phela yithi who mastered mathematics and science before the evilness happened. Yithi sabafundisa yonke into. There's no white person of race or nation that can claim civilization than abantu abamnyama. Njengoba silokho sisho abo Pythagoras, they are all pleasurizers. Bafundiswa okhokho bakho, then they go and package izinto ezife zabo without crediting the source. So ayikho into okumele uthuke ngomlungu. Umlungu ingane kuwe. Une arrogance nje enye nje enzima enga-understand. Ukuthi how can you call your father, your parent, stupid? Uyamphazamisa. Mamphazamisa kanjalo. Yingakho even i-development yase Africa is like this. It's because we are not structured the way we're supposed to be structured. There can never be development in Africa until kuze kuma ne-parallel system esisebenza kuyo. That's the only time. Because of manje we are out of alignment. Bakuthengisela calendar eli-wrong, kukhangisa isikhathi wrong. Okwesibili, we are not aligned with anything eyenzakalayo lezulwini. Izulu liyaguqa wena awusahamba ngenyawo. Awusanaki ukuthi cha umoya wakho lo uguqile. When we are look we are qathuka. So there's no resonance there. And konke lokho kukhoswa yini? Consciousness. In consciousness yethu has been messed up. So silana ke ukuthi si prepare. Mina ngazi abanye abantu. Mina into elayikanga. Into yokuthi iAfrica izobusa umhlaba again from here in the south. Hey. Asi lento sikhulumayo asumbuso nje wase South Africa. Umbuso womhlaba because okhokho bethu did it. No more. Just understanding lama principles. They were able to rule the world. Why can't we? We can only reject that because we are ignorant of ourselves. If you have your potential to do it, why don't you do it? Hey. You can only doubt yourself ngoba uliva. Usaba. Usaba to take a stand. Uact towards development yakho. So konke lokho will be eliminated. Bonke abantu abazothwasa la. Ngoba nizothwasa yini intwaso? Enlightenment. Enlightenment. Intwaso ke leyo. Mesikhuluma ngentwasa sisho ukuthi belulokhu yoshayelwa igubhu le. Cha. Kanti futhi nasephehlweni amaphehlo must teach this knowledge. uphume ephehlweni sowuzazi ukuthi iprinciple yami yile mina I'm a healer. Mina I'm this, mina I'm that, based on ikhalenda. Na imeli into okumele siyithwase kahle kahle. So manje lento ifaka yonke into. Ngisho inyanga nazo themselves. Asikho isigodlo ongaya kuso la eSouth Africa and la eAfrica esikufundisa ngaleyo. And this is the foundation yentwaso calendar. Awukwazi ukufaka ithwasa ngesikhathi esi-wrong. Awukwazi ukwenza lokhu ngesikhathi esi-wrong. Awukwazi ukwenza lokhu ngesikhathi esi-wrong. How then do you proceed without this knowledge? So iningi is everywhere. Isidingo is all over. So yingakho ngithi ke asiqiniseni la ekutholeni lolwazi so that kube namasotsha omoya azohamba yokhanyisela abanye abantu. Indlovukazi la kuningi izolo kuthanga sikhuluma uthi so utheni almost 71 billion abantu wa misaligned.
No, 2.3.
2.3.
7 billion of us, but there's 2.3 billion of Christians.
Abantu wa misaligned. It means that the etheric body is like this. Because it's only a few people who are aligned abavuthelela the etheric body ukuze ibe strong. Mesikhuluma ngo-asa, mesithi siyamvuselela. Ngoba the more you are colonized like Kanda, you are weakening this etheric body, ka-asa. So if 2.something billion yabantu who still need to come to the light because basehlathini, ihlathi elibomvu hayi lemnyama. Ihlathi elibomvu le. Ngoba lihambelana ne destruction nje commotion. Akuna order, akuna structure. So i-structure siyafuneka. Yingakho thina laba ledlanzana kumele sivuthelele kakhulu lapha ku-etheric body so that automatically those 2.something billion people are able to remember what they knew before. Okwamanje balela ukuthoba eternal slumber. Ntomnyama. So noma uvukile nje uhamba ulele because you can't read the signs. Okhokho bakho bakhuluma ngama signs. Ngeke ufike ubone la uthi uya ngapha eKenani uhlangane nomkhulu wakho odala wakho. Ungaqhuleka khona lapho usethi. Manje baza kithi ngama signs. So yingakho kumele sithwase ukuthi si-understand lama signs. Nabantu who are supposed to lead us into the future. Mele kuba abantu who are deep in this content. Otherwise usimoshela isikhathi. Ufuna ukusifaka enyameni again. Sikhathele nyama. Isihlukumezile. I-continent. Africa is the richest continent. The richest continent in the world. But poverty la. Ile nyama. Sibuswa abantu abahlushwa inyama. They think bacabanga ngesisu. They think with their stomach. Ukuthi mina mengithatha le decision. There's Rupert has lobbied me. Ungifakela ibillion in my account. Ukuthi ngiyophasisa umthetho. That will justify yonke into ayenzayo. And ngikwenze lokho without amahloni. Why? Because mina lapha kimi kwami in the next 2 weeks kuzobe kunemoto eziyi-12 la. Ingane zami ngibhedea ngePorsche. That's what I want. That's the life I want. As to what cost to the black man, lama actions akho doesn't matter. Giboge laba who are going to answer for themselves. One thing. U-Anpubamela. Kanti uma athi ukhona. Usethu khona ukuzobhidliza everything that is not grounded by uma art. Izowa. Doesn't matter ukuthi ithatha isikhathi esingakanani. Anything that is not grounded by my art, the purest form of Ubuntu, is going to fall. Hey. So manje mele sinakeke lento makhehla sazi ukuthi in future mele sikujule kakhulu in knowing ourselves. That is the most important thing. So that mesihlangana and si identify according to our principles. Mangivusela uthi Sehmet. Uthi mhlaba. Hey, mele kube njalo because you are creating that original resonance. In the name okhokho bebebiza, and the okhokho mobuka into history. Okhokho did so much in terms of creativity. That is the heritage of Melese reclaim. But after solving this mess, so I hope here Makehla is again mesikhuluma about the perfect black. Sikhuluma ngawe mntomnyana because when you are the manifestation of that perfect blackness of us. So meluzazi uyazi lento le isemqoka kakhulu because thina sikhule sazi nje ukuthi abelungu bahlakaniphile basitshela basifunza information yabo Einstein abo Newton and manje mawukhula udiscover ukuthi yare ingane leza ama-fake abantu bangempela immortal abo Amun Hotel abo Vusa Mazulu abo Shikanja Job abo Ivan van Sertima abo Theophilo Benga. Those are the great people. I am a fake esinikezwa wona. So manje uyabona ukuthi umbuso wethu wakusasa uphelele. Awudingi lutho. Une science, une mathematics, une calendar, une language yayo. Ilanguage yethu kumele sivuse medu nature. In future ingane zethu are going to communicate with that language throughout the whole continent. And remember ukuthi i-continent yonke ilinde the southern part because this is where this thing, the rebirth, has to happen. So if it's south, here, la South Africa, silele, eternal slumber, we are killing all black people in the world. Ngoba le ngilosi beyise Kemet ila. Iyo le kumele ilaphe ibambe wonke umuntu omnyama kanje imbumbe. So we are very special in a very special place called South Africa. Nonsense. Southern Kemet. Singalikhohlwa lelo gama. La vocabulary yethu mele iphume the nonsense in South Africa. How can you name a country by its geographical position? Madness. When you name a country, you are evoking the spirits that are behind that name. So that whenever we say that name, there's a resonance. Hey. So the foolishness is opela makhe. Sekuseduze. Asibhekezele nje sibambe. Siyafika la siyakhona. Siyabonga Ndlovukazi. Thokoza.
All right, let's give him a round of applause. Thank you so much, Mkhulu Ntsingizi. We are truly grateful that you are alive and we live our daily lives knowing you. Because in knowing you, you make sure that we awaken that sleeping thought in us. Because there is something that is sleeping that doesn't want to awaken. And it scares us every day. But when you come and meet uNkulunkulu, and I love it when you say, let's create resonance on our daily lives. Now, uNkulunkulu really, how he teaches us, he makes sure that we understand that the things that we love, which is politics, what is the relationship between politics and our spiritual lives? What is the relationship between the economy of